I get a lot of clients and they have really, really strong branding. And one thing that I've noticed a lot of them like to do is put an overlay on their images. So think like a blue overlay if the client's main color is blue. And this just signals to people, hey, this is an us branded image. And when I get these requests, I say to the client, this is so easy to do. And it's also really easy for you to manage moving forward. If you add images in, you don't have to add the overlay in Figma or in Photoshop or anything like that. You can do it directly in Squarespace. And I'm going to show you how to do it right now. On our site, if we just go into the editor and scroll down, you'll see we've got an image block here. All you've got to do is double click on the image, go to design, and then overlay. So you toggle overlay, and that's going to give us a standard color overlay. We can move it all the way to the end, which is completely opaque. Let me bring that back up. So we can move it all the way to the end. We can change the colors. And if you want, you can go into the custom color editor and you can pick a color that suits you. So what I'll do is I'll settle on a color here. We'll go back into the palette and then we'll move down the color here, just to a nice level where it's obvious that the color is overlaid without taking away from the image itself. We can do it on one of these. So we'll double tap, design, and the overlay is actually already on this to a degree, but it looks turned right down. So we'll make this one a bit darker. There we go, a nice contrast between those two images. So let's see how that looks. As we scroll down, we've got that light blue and that slightly darker red there. And there we go, as simple as that. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.